Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick little walk around on this tailgate we had built. So it's a normal single acting tailgate with air latches here. For what we do, a lot of residential construction, the barn door is really a nice thing to have. Now this door is the original tailgate. So what they did was take they made a steel subframe. So this right here is our steel subframe. This is our original tailgate. So they cut the latches off the original tailgate, moved them to the steel subframe, and now I loosened these up just for the video, make it easier. This will open on the hinges. So there's a lot of weight hanging out there when that's open. So the welder didn't want to make it bolt directly or welded directly onto the aluminum. So we came up with this compromise, and now it's strong enough to do what we need to do. It won't bend, or shouldn't bend, and it'll hold up pretty well. So now we can open the tailgate all the way up. We got a chain that just goes into this eye loop right here. And then when we're done, we shut the tailgate. We lock the turnbuckles. And then from there, if we want to, we can make this dump normally from in the cab, and these will release and the tailgate will swing and close like a normal dump truck tailgate. Definitely getting a lot of use out of it. I've wanted one for a while, but it was just a matter of paying for it and justifying it. So I think a lot of this stuff he bought, this pin, I think a lot of this comes out of a kit. The top hinges, and then some of it he puts together. Like this angle iron, he made all that. But it cost us about $2,000. But now we can use the truck for more than just hauling some dirt or some gravel. We could throw pallets in there, logs, stumps. A lot of the stuff with these short tailgates gets jammed up, and when you go to dump, the logs have been jammed in this thing more times than I'd like to tell you. So now we won't have that issue. The guys really like it when we go to unload stuff at the job. If we pick up some concrete sand, some stone, and I got to pick up 10 or 12 bags of cement, Portland cement, because you can pop the gate, hand them down, not throwing them over the top of the tailgate. It works out pretty well. Couldn't be happier. Thanks for watching.